What's up, everybody? Gather round. Hey, stay there. Oh, hey, well, since it's Bonfire Night tomorrow, I thought, why not come up with a Bonfire Night theory? Oh, hey, I've got two Bonfire Night theories to discuss tonight. How Hogwarts would celebrate it, and who will be the guardian for Bonfire Night for Rise of the Guardians. Alright, so first the Hogwarts one. How Hogwarts would celebrate Bonfire Night. Perhaps they would have some fireworks. Maybe the Wizarding Weasleys would have a shelf dedicated to Bonfire Night with lots of fireworks that they would make. Yeah, so maybe they have them, and many students would buy them. And maybe Hogwarts would buy some of them to have their own fireworks display, and perhaps they would have a Bonfire Night feast with little sugar dry foxes in 10 flames, like they would do with Christmas puddings. And with magical fires, maybe they would have bonfires on them. So yeah. So that's it with how Hogwarts would. So who will be the guardian for Bonfire Night to Rise of the Guardians? Now, in case you haven't watched Rise of the Guardians, or any of my other Guardian videos, or in case you need a refreshment, the Rise of Guardians is a fantasy film where there's lots of fantasy figures who are guardians, such as Jack Frost, Easter Bunny, Santa Claus, the Tooth Fairy, Sadra, and you're all band together to protect children's innocence. So, who would be the guardian for Bonfire Night? Well, I did my research and there's no fantasy figures associated with Bonfire Night. And the only person associated with it is Guy Fawkes. And then I started to wonder, what about King James of Scotland and England? He was the king who was alive during the Gunpowder Plot. So maybe he could be a guardian. And here's something. Maybe when King James of Scotland and England died, the Man in the Moon chose him as a guardian. Yeah, maybe. So maybe he's the guardian of fire. Maybe. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this. For those two theories. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.